Hi, I'm Karen Lambdin. I teach free motion quiltings at Gromes Sewing Machine in San Antonio. I'm going to show you a simple feather from one of my feather classes. I hope that you'll come and join me. Feathers are a great way to enhance your quilts, and they're pretty easy to do once you get the hang of it. Let's get started. I'm going to use an air erasable pen to make my spine. And this will be my spine, and let's just give myself a little guidelines to how big I want my feathers to be, how much I want them to go out. I'm going to use glide thread, which I like to use for feathers because it sparkles and it makes them really pop. We're going to come out and make a little, like a number 6, but I'm going to take it in just a little bit further. Number 6, and then curl it up, bring it back out, and when you get out here, bump it over. Curl it up, and when you get about right there, bump it over. So this feather doesn't have any backtracking except right there when I come around that curve, when I come around this curl, but it actually looks better when I miss and don't exactly backtrack on the spine, so I'm not struggling to do that. Okay, so number 6, come back around, and about right there. Let's just give it a curly cue for the top, and then we're going to come back down the spine. And then we will go up the other side. And there is your feather. Now I wouldn't normally use this dark of a thread here, but for the camera, I was hoping that you could see it. So it's got a little bit of a whimsical curve. Okay, now we can take that same feather, and you can fit that in almost any space. I did one earlier where I filled the whole block. I pushed them all the way out to the edges. And I wanted to show you how to fill a triangle with this design, like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw myself a little curve. Over here. And let's see, now I'm going to come halfway up that spine. And right here, I'm going to make a big feather go to the middle. And to keep this motion to where I don't have to do any stops and starts, I'm going to put my feathers here. So I'm going to have to start here and go this way, then start here and go this way. So this is how I keep myself from having to stop and start. Here's my little number 6 curl. And down to my drawn spine. Now I'm going to fill in that spine and do a curl over here. And fill in my feathers on this side. And then if I want to, I can even echo this spine one more time. So on this design, by drawing my spine first, I can prevent stops and starts. I stitch halfway along the line, did my center feather, came up and did one curl, came back, bounced down, another curl, back, and then I did this part of the spine and stitched down on this side. Well, I hope you enjoyed a sample of what we do here at Gromes. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you push the notification button, you will get notified every time a new video is posted. Please come see us sometime. We have wonderful threads and fabrics and classes here at Gromes. Thanks for watching.